So these are the tools you'll need for bleeding your clutch and changing your clutch fluid. You need an 8 mm to open the bleeder, a pipe, syringe to remove the old fluid, and some new brake fluid, and a bottle to catch it and bleed it, and a cloth as well to wipe. So on this car it's very simple to bleed and change the clutch fluid. So that's your brake reservoir and that's your clutch reservoir there. Follow the line and you can see the slave cylinder here. So that's your bleed nipple. So I'll show you how to do it today with just basic hand tools and a helper who will push the clutch in and we'll bleed it out that way. Okay, press. Hold. Press. Hold. Sometimes you might find that the clutch pedal will get stuck down. You'll have to pull it up gently and repeat the process. Or tidy up any mess that you might have made. But like I said, it's fairly easy to do on this. It only takes a couple of minutes. You just go to the inside now. So when you finish bleeding the clutch, make sure you test it and ensures that it goes down and comes up smoothly and it doesn't get stuck anywhere. When this is done, then you can take it for a test drive. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe.